Hello, in this video we'll learn about the advanced data visualization. Okay, so creating advanced plots with matplot library and seaborn interactive visualization with plotline, geographic visualization with geopandas. Okay, so and also web development with Flask will be there. So I will tell this one in the later lectures because it's just a framework here. Framework is nothing but a collection of libraries and modules. Okay, in an organized way. Set of rules will be there for that frame or library frameworks. Okay, just a minute. See here, interactive web frameworks will be there. A web framework is a pre-built collection of libraries, tools, and best practices that simplifies and streamline the development of web applications. If you want to design web application, Flask is there. Flask web development. Flask means the Flask is a web framework and developed on based on Python libraries. Okay, Python libraries and Python modules. Okay. Web framework provides a structured and organized way to build a web applications by offering a reusable components and set of conventions for tasking, routing, handling requests, managing database. Okay, so I will tell this Flask in later videos, but as of now, just go through it. Okay, just steps are there how to install. If you want to install Flask, you just pip install Flask. That's it. Okay, simple. Okay, library and these are steps are there and basic steps. I won't explain. This is a Python tutorial, so I won't explain much about the Flask. Flask is a web-based way. If you want to develop web applications, Flask is one of the framework for the Python. Okay, so there are so many libraries are there for different. See, for Python, Django, Flask, Fast API, Web, and Ruby on Rails. For Java, Spring, JavaScript. For JavaScript, Angular, React, Node, Express.js. Okay, for Python is Django, Flask, Fast API. Okay, so that's about the Flask. Next we'll see the advanced dot plot visualization. What is dot? The simple words data visualization nothing but converting data into the graphs. Okay, converting data, whatever data. Data can be in CSV means comma separated values form, or it's a simple dictionary or any Excel files. Okay, what is there in the data? The data converts into the just visualization means visualizing graphical form like a bars, charts, plots, lines, everything. Okay, like that because why we use data visualization means for better understanding purpose means what's going on in the data, what's data, what sort of means what sort of where the data is going big and where the data is going less like that. Okay, so you see creating advanced plots with matplotlib and cbon. See here creating advanced plots with matplot library and cbon. Okay, so if you want to install matplot library, you have to pip install matplot library and pip install cbon. Okay, simple. So you see here, okay, MATLAB C1. You can install in Visual Studio or you can install in Windows command prompt. Okay. So see Matplotlib library. I already told you the last lectures. So if you want to go through that, C1 is also same like a Matplotlib library, but C1 born on top of the Matplotlib library. Okay, but better updated version in terms simple words. Updated version of Matplotlib library. Okay, for visualizing, for graphics, it adds more attributes. C1 is built on C1 is built on top Matplotlib library, providing a high-level interface for creating attractive and informative statistical graphics. Okay, so we will see how we will create it. Okay, so advanced project type. So we have to use pivot function here. So there are some. I'll tell you. So heat maps. So, okay, I will copy this and paste, and I will explain easily. Okay, Control C. Okay, and also I have stored some files here. Files.py. Okay, and this we have to import these pandas, cbon, and matplotlib library. Okay, plot. Okay, and these are data. I am using the data this one only. Okay, category AABB month January February in a list. Okay, value 10 15 57. Okay, and I told you data frame. What is data frame? Okay, it's the object converting data into the rows and columns, converting this data into the rows and columns. If you want, and this is a pandas. Okay, if you want to convert whatever data you convert rows and columns, you have to use data frame, and you got to import this panda one. Okay, and stored in df. So if print df, I'll tell you. Okay, and also pivot underscore df pivot function here. Pivot function is used to reshape the given data frame organized by given index or column values. Okay, so it reshape the whatever the data converted into rows and columns is there, no, the data will reshape it. Okay, if you want to reshape the data into your customizing, means into your requirement, according to the requirement, you can if you want to reshape it, and you can use the pivot function. Okay, how what reshape, we'll see with an example how it will reshape. And okay, it does not support data aggregation. Multiple values will result in multiple. Okay, this function doesn't support data aggregation. This is simple syntax. Self equal index columns values. Okay, index is nothing but rows. Okay, columns are nothing but columns. Will tell you values. Okay, and also heat maps. The heat maps are used to visualize data in grid, whether each cell colors represents a value of variable. Okay, each cell means different cells will be there. So that's visualizing data in the C cells. Okay, in the cell form. If you want to represent your data in a cell form, you have to use heat maps. Okay, what the heat map will see here. Okay, pivot function index column values. So heat map pivot is camp equal to is not true. I will tell you. And title, if you want title, if you want to give your data title, you have to use title method here. Show means map, show the data, show the graph. So simple words. See, first we will see the output here, and then we'll see the graph. Okay, and then we see this the arguments not equal true, fmd equal t, SNS. See, this is a I will tell you only the basics. Okay, normal, very basics. Okay, I don't go too deep. I will not go deep there here, because this is not the data visualization data science tutorial. Okay, so we'll come here step by step. This is the data here, category month value. So if you want to convert this data into rows and columns, you have to use data frame here in the pandas and show it some variable here that we are printing that here. Okay, see 0a January 10. Okay, a February 15. Okay, like that, and pivot the data to byte format. Okay, if you want to convert your data frame into your according to your needs, see here. Okay, pivot index equal to index means here row here, index is equal category means row here, ab is there, ab columns equal to months here. Okay, month columns February January horizontal, category index equal to vertical. Okay, values nothing but the values of here, like here. Okay, values, the values here, no, here 10 15 5 7 is there. Okay, so index is nothing but row, index row and vertical, columns are horizontal, values are in between. Okay, values is equal to 15 10. See here, so it the given data frame are using pivot function rearrange it to another data consists of rows and columns. Okay, according to the these needs. Okay, so if you want data like that, if you want to use pivot function here, okay, depends upon. See here, a is the February 15 and b 7 15. Okay, so like that, index is the row, month February column, and based on recording values. Okay, in between is the values are, and heat map. Okay, I told you if you want to visualize that, a heat map, this map, heat map here. Okay, see here 15 10 7 5, 15 10 7 5, and category a and b, category ab February month. Okay, so the data, if this is the c map. Okay, you know the color of c map. Okay, c map not a color map. Okay, so this is an individual cell. If you want to give different color c map equal to, we have to write this parameter. Pivot the and af is means which one we want to graph. Okay, we have to use sns means cborn. So this is the actually, if you go to OpenGL Firefox, cborn.pydata.org website is there. So in that, so many parameters, arguments, explanation, everything here. Okay, see cmap here, the mapping from data values to color space. It not provided, the default will depend on whether send it. Okay, cmap rows are not equal to true. No, if true, write the data value in cell. Okay, if you want to write the data in cell, you have to mention are not equal to true. So we got the data now. Okay, so if you could check like that. Okay, fmt string formatting code to use when adding annotations. Okay, okay, so like that. Heat map means if you want data like this, if you want data in a cell format, you have to use heat map. So like this one, heat map cell format. Okay, robot arena. See here, different examples are there. Index equal to columns values, heat map, glue, color. Okay, glue. Okay, so you go through this one. Okay, I won't explain everything like this one. This is just for the overview. Only basic for installation. Some basic methods I will explain. That's it. Okay, and that's about the heat map in this, and also plots are there. Next thing is pair plots. Pair plots are used to visualize pairwise relationship between variables in a data set. Okay, visualize pairwise relationship between variables in database. See what for pair plots function used for this task. Okay, we'll copy this one and paste here. Control C. See, import. We have to import C1. Okay, import C1 matplotlib library pandas. C1 is it is on top of the matplotlib library. Okay, if you want effective graphics visualization, you have to use C1. Okay, so and we have used pair plot here, data species, and we are using arrays.csv. Arrays.csv is this one. This big column is the sepal width, petal width, species. Species is there, setosa. Okay, I'm giving hue here. Hue means it's a color. Species here. Okay, species here. So we'll see what's output. Pair plot. Okay, the different pair plot nothing but are used to visualize pairwise relationship between variables in a data set. Variables in a data set. Okay, variables here. That's C1 pair plot function used for this task. See, species is this blue color is setosa, vary color is uh, this one, and green color is virginica, and the data is this one. Okay, see, observe the data here. Sepal length, sepal width, petal width, sepal length. So like this will be there, petal sepal width, petal width, sepal length. Blue color is setosa. Okay, so 8 is there like that one. Okay, see, sepal length here up to 8 it goes. Okay, so simple. If you want to graphics like this, you have to use pair plots. Okay, and next thing is box plot. Okay, box plot means if you want data in box wise, you have to use this box plot. Okay, so I will explain this one. Simple thing, same. We have to use, you have to read data CSV file here. Okay, in data means pandas. If you have to import pandas for this one, read underscore CSV and the tips.csv. Tips.csv has this one, total bill, tips, sex, smoker, day, time, size. These are the variables. These are the column variables, and the values are there. These are the values. And x equal to day, y equal means x column is a day, y equal to total bill. See, x is a day here. Okay, Sunday, total bill is 16.9 like that one. Okay, and data is equal this data, we are data reading. Okay, the third argument is box plot. Okay, once data in the box plot, title will be the, if you want title of your graph, you have to mention a title like this one. Okay, so we'll see the output here. See, if you want data in box size like this one, day and total bill. Okay, day, Sunday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, total bill is like this one. Sunday bill is something like this. Okay, 20 up to like something like that is a box title. Okay, same thing if you use the, if you use bar plot. Okay, same thing, if you replace box plot with bar plot, bars means you will get a big bar here instead of box plot. If you use bar plot, see the output. See, like this one, bar plot, this one, graphics. Okay, so main use of data visualization means analyzing the data, means where the data is going, where the data is decreased, where the data is increased, where the data is decreased. where the fluctuations are there, and where we can assign, where we can get the benefits in in general. database are used in the business. Okay, suppose if you take the clothing store, so many customers will coming, so they can understand based on the customer demand, you can understand where the which product is going more prices. Okay, volume plots, just use this one, same thing, copy. So come in volume one now, simple SNS. Okay, C1. Yeah, I know it. See, same like before. See, like this one, you will get the data in like this. Okay, so that's about the combination of matplot library, cbon library, pandas library. Three libraries we use it. Okay, pandas library mostly use the read the data. Okay, data reading the data, and the cbon library used for the effective use of the graphics, and matplot library used for the showing the graph. Okay, so three we have used it, and there are so many other time series for 3D block, customer block. So you can go through data. That's okay. So save, show means showing the data, save means showing the figure. Next we use the plotly. If you want to install plotly, just pip install plotly here. Yeah, pip install plotly. Okay, so like that, just install it. That's it. Or you can install this one in command prompt also. Okay, and library, as if you import library like this one. So what is plotly? First of all, plotly is nothing but is powerful library in Python for creating interactive visualization. It's also visualization, another visualization library. Okay, top on design top on Python libraries, Python program. It also is used to build interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards that can be embedded in web applications or shared with others. So okay, and we'll see this one also. We'll see one scatter plots. Okay, this one we will see scatter plots. See, first we have to import in plotly.express as px, the same like this, and data px data. If we want to read this data, same iris data means iris CSV file is there, no? So dot just read px dot iris. That's it, and as a function like this one. Okay, and stored in data, and px dot scatter. First argument is first parameter is data. This sample data one. Which data you want to convert into the which data you want to convert into the graph, and next one are the parameters. Okay, x and y, the x and y is this x axis, y axis, and the color, which color you want, title. Okay, scatter, show, simple. Show means figure dot show means showing the figure. Okay, means showing the graph, iris graph. Okay, so these four graph. Scatter means, the line scatter, it comes on the scatter like a. Okay, we'll wait and see same thing. Next, scatter plots, line charts, just replace with scatter and line. That's it, simple. Bar charts replace with bar. Heat maps, just replace with the im show, heat map data. Okay, pie charts equal with the pie. So like that. See, this is the data here. Okay, iris data set. So many are there. Certosa, vertical, Virginia, like this one. And if you want pie chart or any line chart, if you want line chart, instead of scatter, use line here. Okay, line, simple. Okay, replace line. Okay, if you want pie chart, replace with pie, just write. Okay, and replace with, if you want the heat maps, replace with im show. Bar charts, bar means rectangular graph, like. Okay, see, line different. So like that. Okay, so try with this different one. This another data visualization. Okay, so this just like a seaborn, this another plot is another data visualization graphs. Okay, offline. Next one is if you go to the plotted documentation is there, so go through that. And Java visualization with GeoPanda. GeoPanda is a Python library that simplifies working with geospatial data. That means maps. You know, maps are there, no? Different countries maps like that. Okay, if you want to work with maps like a countries and cities, you know that maps, and so you have to use GeoPandas. Okay, and enables you to create geographical visualization. It extends the capabilities of pandas, popular data management library, to handle geospatial data type like points, lines, and polygons. Here, okay, and here if you want to install GeoPandas, pip install GeoPandas. Okay, and you imported both this one. See, we'll see simple one. Okay, we'll see simple graph. See, I'm taking this URL. See, there is a website is there. Reading and GeoPandas the website is there here. See, org. Reading and writing files. Difference are there. You can go through this one. Reading means reading the file and writing to the GeoPanda file. So these are the filtering of field, how to filter it, where filter support. There's so many are there, indexing, mapping. Okay. So I can't explain all the things now. Just basic. Oh, explain only I'm explaining here. Just URL I'm taking here. This means map here, and if you want to read geo panda map, okay, using you have to use read underscore file function method. Okay, and then the parameter you have to send the URL here. Okay, gdp means geopandas here, importing gdp dot read underscore file. Write means write underscore file. Reading means read underscore file here. uh, Plot df dot plot here to plot the graph, to shape file admins to show the graph title and the axis of, we see what's output here. This map will come. Okay, we are just reading, just a map will display here, but we can modify the map, we can zoom it, we can plot it, we can customize it. So much is there geopandas. So if you want to, you go through this one. Okay, if you want to write the data means reading spatial data. See, this is a map here. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, based on the x-axis, y-axis, you can zoom it, zoom out. So much is there. Reading subsets of data, bounding merge filter, row filter, where filter, writing spatial data. Writing spatial data, you have to use countries underscore g2 underscore file. Okay, not write file. Two underscore file. Which file you want to write it? Okay, spatial databases. So these are the things. So much is there to tell you about. But if you want to work with maps like a countries and cities like that, you have to use GeoPandas. Okay, first we have to install it, and there are the steps are there. You can go through everything. Basic plots, customizing. You can customize it. Okay, modified. So that's about the data visualization. So go to the website. There's so many are there. Just I am explaining just installation of the basic thing. Okay, to understand basic understanding. Okay, that's it.